In this video, we'll be showing you how you can get a refund in your purchased game in Steam. As you can see, this is the article that they created and how you can get a refund or request a refund. Well, there is a certain rule about it that within 14 days of purchase and has been played for less than 2 hours, the game is still refundable. But even if you fall outside of the refund rules, they describe that you can still submit a request and they will look at it. First is you need to go to help.steampower.com. Well, let's head there. As you can see, you can go there through your Steam application by clicking the help button here and then go to Steam support. Next is to go to purchase. Once you go to the purchases, as was instructed by the article, you need to find the game that you bought. And for example, is they bought Left 4 Dead. So you just need to click the Left 4 Dead, and then you need to select the problem that you are having with the product. And for this video, we have an issue about a refund. So just click it and then click the I purchased this by accident. And next is click the I'd like to request a refund. So by going into this part, you just need to fill in and then submit the request form. And then Steam will take a look on it. So make sure that you will click the submit request, and that's it. Just wait for the process to be done. And then the refund will be sent into your account immediately. And that's it. That's how you can request a refund or how to get a refund on your games on Steam. And thank you for listening.